I like this question. Why are all slabs not the same thickness? Why is there no one size fits all? Why do they differ per design? That's quite straightforward. What exactly is the slab doing? And how much work is it doing will determine how much strength it needs to have in order to do the job they gave it to do. Let's say, for example, a slab is a raft slab, is resisting the forces from the earth and is carrying columns and carrying the entire building ahead of it. Definitely, if it's a two-story slab or if it's a slab for a raft of a two-story building, you could get away with 300 mm. You get away with 250 mm depending on the design. But when you are going 6, 7, 8 stories, you are talking about 600, 650, 700 mm thickness in order to do that, because the strength it is trying to resist or it's trying to hold is much stronger. Same thing if you are throwing a slab across maybe a 6 meter distance. The slab needs to be thicker because there is more steel that you need to hide inside in order to carry the weight of that span, as opposed to a slab that is basically just stretching to carry maybe something as simple as a roofing sheet, for example. So it depends on what the design is done. A popular saying in Yoruba is saying "Onokon Owoja," which means there are multiple ways to get the same results. You can either trek to Abuja, drive to Abuja, or fly to Abuja, or even if you like, disappear and appear in Abuja. But I don't know the science behind the fourth one. But if you choose any one, that will determine what type of slab thickness you have. For example, is it just slabs and your columns? The slab will definitely be thicker than if it is slab, beams, and columns. Because now the slab is doing its own job separately, it's not doing the job of a beam, so it doesn't need to, So it really depends. For best results and the best answer for what slab thickness you need in your own structure, ask your structural engineer. They'll be very happy to tell you. I've been Folajomi. See you on the next one.